Well, welcome back to the Piney Woods homestead, y'all. What are we doing today?
What are you doing? What are we doing, or what am I doing?
What are you doing?
Planting onions.
Y'all, I got out here the other day and got this new onion bed ready for Lisa. She said she wanted something, not as deep as our deep raised beds, right, that she could get a bunch of onions in. So this is what we came up with. And all it is, y'all, is rough cut 4x4s off the mill, yellow pine. Yes, they'll rot over the course of several years. No big deal. We'll mill some more. Are you excited about planting these onions?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, guys, we're going to get into it. Thanks for stopping in at the Piney Woods homestead. Hit that like and subscribe if you hadn't. And if you have, as always, we do appreciate you. So what do you think about the construction of this new bed?
The construction is what I wanted. We used the rest of our compost pile and the broken down several-year-old chicken litter out of the old chicken coop, which is great, except Matthew also pulled up the semi-broken down, I mean, they were broken down a lot, slabs that were in the bottom of that, but once he tilted in, it's left big, this is not big, but chunks of wood throughout that I'm gonna have to try to pick out and work around.
So y'all, the idea behind what we're doing here with this bed is to produce some onions that require lots of nitrogen, right?
Right.
Without having to do a whole lot of commercially produced fertilizer input. And so we are using chicken litter that's broke down. It's still going to be hot, and our compost, which is chicken litter, and all of everything that comes out of those, that came out of those 130 chickens that we eviscerated. There is a hawk flying.
That's why the rooster's not happy.
I just got sidetracked. A red-tailed hawk just hopped up in the woods over here. I may see if I can sneak up on him, and looked like he might have had a damaged wing.
Well, the rooster got all the hens up, so.
Well, good job, rooster. Anyways, it's always fun on the Piney Woods homestead. We're trying to grow some onions with limited commercial fertilizer input or synthesized fertilizer. So everything natural here. It's broke down. There's chicken feathers. There's 100+ chickens that have been cleaned, and all the entrails have broke down in here. So should be some good organic material in here to grow these things. So we're going to see as we go along just how much fertilizer it takes to grow these onions, y'all. I had walked back here because I saw that red-tailed hawk land on one of the log decks back here. And he was just sitting there pretty, but he's a young one, and he hopped right up and cruised out through the woods. So nothing wrong with him. He was just, I don't know what he was hunting over there. Probably a mouse.
Probably.
Since we've got all that stuff stirred up from putting this in here. All right. It's not bad. It's going to work just fine. It's going to work good.
Hopefully.
It's going to grow good onions. That's
It'll
the main
grow
thing.
Good onions
and the dirt that I put in there was from a dirt hole. Yeah. And it's good and loamy. It was wet when I put it in here, but it's dried out a little, and it's been tilled a few times, so cultivated. This thing should work pretty good.
How many rows I can get in here, but it's probably.
Hey!
So they can be planted a minimum of 4 inches apart. I normally do between 4 and 6. With a row spacing of no more than, well, no less than 8 inches, 8 to 12 inches. So I'm going to shoot for probably around 10 or 12 inches apart. And hopefully, I ordered, I think around 200. Well, I know I ordered around 200, but I'm pretty sure that there's quite a few more than that in there. So we'll see what we can get in this bed.
A lot of folks may not know this, but all those chicken feathers that are in here are really good for what? Tomato plants. That's what we figured out planting them a few years.
Yeah.
Because of the calcium, right? Is that right? It's like bone meal.
Yeah.
Basically. Helps with blossom end rot, naturally. But we're doing onions, right?
Right.
We as in you.
Right. I'm not throwing it all out, but I've got to be able to plant them.
What's your depth to plant?
You don't want to plant them any deeper than an inch, or they won't bulb. So
I planted quite a few last year, and
yeah, the ones that you planted didn't bulb.
that's why you're planting the onions.
Exactly.
You are coming right along with it.
Yep.
Oh, and look at that.
Yes.
Measuring tape.
If anybody's watched us for any amount of time and me planting, they know I've got my measuring tape to.
But you know what? It looks fantastic. Way better than I'd have done.
That's the truth.
Well, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Lisa's still got
I don't know. They're
a third of the bed to plant.
well, I think the onions are multiplying at this point. I'm gonna let you count, see how many I've got so far.
I'm doing estimation.
No.
Guys, we have surpassed 3,000, and so need to clarify the giveaway that we're wanting to do again. First and foremost, we will never say in the comment section that you have won anything. The way that we do it is when we pick somebody, we have you to email us. That way we can get your info and send you out either a candle or beard balm. And Lisa has new candles made,
Well, they should be up on the website by the time this video comes out.
Yeah.
So,
All right, great.
fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. So anyways, in order to do the 3 for 3 deal, here I'm putting up 2 fingers, 3 for 3.
3 for 3.
Either make a comment saying that you'd like to win, send us an email, but what we'd really like for you to do is in your comment section, along with, yeah, I'd like to win, tell us a little something about yourself.
Like where you're from, or
Yeah, what state are you from? And are you homesteading? What are you doing? Or send us an email. We love getting emails. And as always, you don't have to be subscribed to our channel for this. We would hope that you would, but you don't have to be. So that's how you do it. Shoot us an email, drop a comment in this video, and we'll just kind of let it marinate for a few weeks, guys, and then we'll come back and do like we did last time, draw some names out of a hat, and then you can say, hey, I want this or I want that, and we'll get it to you because we appreciate you.
yes.
Guys, y'all have a good day, a great week, and Lord willing, and the creek don't rise too high, guys. We'll see you on the next one.